Today I want to talk about Zhiyun Transmode Image Transmission Transmitter. On the Zhiyun page, it says it must be used with a gimbal Weebill S. But I find out if you connect it to the camera via HDMI cable and install Zhiyun app, after you connect the transmitter to the app, you can use it as a standalone video transmitter to monitoring your videos from your camera. Right now I am recording this and I use the video transmitter connected to the camera. Unfortunately, I don't have a second camera and my phone is used to monitor the video transmission. So what I can show you, the video feed in real time, and this can work as a standalone transmitter. I think this video transmitter it's very useful when you use it in tandem with a gimbal or a monopod mounted on your gimbal, so you can see your video feedback in real time. This device can help you to monitoring your video without the need from an extra long HDMI cable, so it's very easy to install it on your camera if you use a gimbal. Right now you can buy this device with about 139 euros in Germany from eBay, and for that price as a standalone video transmitter it's a great deal. I know few from you will say with that money can buy a field monitor, but keep in mind almost all monitors under 200 euros got from 300 to 500 nits, and they must be connected via HDMI cable and all need an extra battery. I think everyone these days have a tablet or a phone at home, and the advantages with a phone or a tablet is most of them are more than 1000 nits and you don't need an extra battery. Also, you don't need an extra cable, so if you must use a monopod to extend your gimbal, you will still able to monitor your video because you can install the monitor, which in this case can be a phone or a tablet. Keep in mind you can connect up to 3 devices in the same time to the video. You have to install only the app on all devices, no matter if it's a phone or a tablet. I hope this information will help you to decide if this is a good product for you, even if you don't own a gimbal Weebill S. If you like the information you get from video, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe.